Have you given much thought to the bacteria deep down in your gut? Chances are you haven't, but you may want to start. Take it from Nutrilite Senior Research Scientist Kristen Morris.
Probiotic translates literally to for life. And probiotics are live microorganisms, usually bacteria, that we add to our diet through supplementation, or they're also found naturally in some foods.
Think of it as trillions of tiny friends living inside you, sort of like your own microscopic internal social network. And just like the real thing, not all friends are good for you. That's where probiotics come in.
But they're the good bacteria. They're part of our microbiome that supports the other good bacteria that are naturally there, sort of the gatekeepers of our health and immune function in our guts.
So in that microbiome, your own internal social environment, you want the good bacteria to outnumber the bad. This helps keep you healthy, strengthens your immune system, even helps digest your food. That's why Kristen and her entire team have been working hard to create a new ally in your internal fight of good versus bad, Nutrilite Balance Within Probiotic, a new product with 5 meticulously researched and selected strains of live good bacteria.
Once they're out of the chamber, at this point, we will start counting.
But long before that product can be shipped, there's a lot of work that goes into making sure you're getting exactly the right amount of the right bacteria in each stick pack. In Amway's micro lab, scientists carefully track and count the growth and number of probiotic bacteria to make sure it's just right.
And one of the ways we're going to do that is we're going to look at the colonies. So a colony is one of these circles that you see on the plate. And each one of those should represent one cell.
Because it contains tiny living organisms, creating a global product was a challenge, especially when it comes to packaging. Can you imagine how the climate in, say, Korea in winter might differ from the heat and humidity in parts of Mexico? We stopped by the packaging lab to find out more.
We close it down, and then we turn on the vacuum pump, and then watch the packages to see if any bubbles are coming out of them.
Engineers here conduct test after test to make sure the stick packs won't allow air or water inside because the product is so sensitive. During production, the team runs tests like this one every 15 minutes or so.
We have one package for the whole globe for this product. We were able to come up with one solution that would work for everybody in all the different temperatures and climates and elevations and all those factors that we take into account.
And of course, once the product is safely packaged, it can be shipped to Amway business owners and consumers all around the world. In Ada, Chris Copes, WHQ News.